Hi babies, as you could see, we got some connection problems and that's why I'm recording this video for you to get clear about the second part of the class. The idea was to check adjectives, the ones that finish in ed and in ing, and we got some examples in here. When to use adjectives that finish in id and when to use the ones that finish in ing. The explanation according to the box is that we use the adjectives that end in ed when we want to describe feelings. How do people feel? For example, when I say I'm amazed, or she's surprised, or I'm bored, for example, because I got to use the ending ed, as you can see here, ed and ed for people feeling. Yes. We are going to use ing or adjectives that finish in ing when I want to talk about an opinion of people, not the feeling as it is in ed, but for the opinion of people, for things or for situations. Remember that adjectives refers to characteristics, no? And adjectives answer the question how. How do you feel? Tired. How do you feel? Amazed. How do you feel? Surprised. How is your opinion about something? I think this is amazing, for example. So she's amazing. That's very surprising because this is in regards of the opinion you got a, in front of a situation, a person, or an object, maybe. The second part also includes the development of point number 5 and point number 6. With this explanation about when to use adjectives that finishes in ed and when to use adjectives that finish in ing, we're going to develop these exercises. I'm going to try to do the first one for you to understand how to do it, okay? So, the first one, it says choose the correct word to complete the message. This is a message that sends Emma and it's to Joe. Guess what? We've got tickets for One Direction concert. I was really annoyed or I was really annoying. According to what we already explained, the correct option of it will be I was really, let me see, annoyed. Why annoyed? Because annoyed refers to how a person feels. And in that case, Emma felt annoyed. So that's the one you are going to choose. Yesterday, because there weren't, any ticket on the website. So my sister and I were very surprised or surprising. So in that case, she's referring to what they were feeling or the opinion they got in regards of something. They were talking about a feeling. So the sister and her, they were surprised. It was the way she was feeling with her sister. When my mom gave us 2 tickets, it is so excited or so exciting. Then you got to decide. Excited will be if they were talking about a person, but they are not talking about a person feeling. They are talking about a situation, an opinion a person has, as it says in here, an opinion. Yes, in regards of another person or group of people, maybe in regards of things or in regards of a situation. Yes, so in that sense, it will be excited, but it is not. It is exciting. No, it will be the correct one because they are referring to the second use of adjectives. The one that finish in ing is an opinion. So then the correct answer will be exciting. Babies, the idea is that you help me finishing with the other exercise, the one that is the answer of Joe to Emma, and also that you please complete number 6. Number 6, I'm just going to explain the instruction. It says complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first, o sea, ponerlo la misma oración pero con diferentes palabras, que el sentido de la oración no me cambie, ¿cierto? Use the adjectives ending in ed. Otra vez, ed is for feelings of people, ing is for opinion. And we got the example. Yesterday, Nico watched the school football match, but he was bored. Nico thought the school football match was boring. Aquí vemos cómo cambia. From ed, yes, you can see here bored, ed, because it's the feeling of who? Of Nico. Feeling. And in here we got ing. Why? Because it's the opinion of Nico. It's not the feeling, but the opinion. Okay? It's gonna be the same dynamic from 2, 3, and 4. I just hope, I'm sorry, that you have understood perfectly what I meant. And if you got any question, please write me a message in that model. So I'm so sorry for the internet connection issues that we got today, and see you next class, babies. Bye.